it's a way, if you have a problem in the past or a problem in the future, you can bring back to the present. Calm your body, calm your mind, and it turns back on your thinking. So the first thing I thought we would do to get ourselves going is to look at a thing called, just to get us present in the moment, I'm going to do a small activity with you. So expanded awareness is a way of getting us into the room, getting us into the present, getting us here. Not too much in the future, not too much in the past. Our brain goes to the past, looks for the bad thing, and then puts it into the future. Give ourselves a rest in our mind and get here and now. And so expanded awareness is what we're going to work on now, just for a moment to get into the present. So what we'll do, I'll get you to look at a place on a wall. So we'll pick a point in a moment. So you look at a place on the wall above eye level and fix your eyes on a spot, on one place. And I'll do it with you in a moment. And when you look at that point on the spot, we're going to notice all the things to the side, and then we'll wiggle our fingers like this. And when we wiggle our fingers like this, what happens is our peripheral side vision, the vision left and right, and you look straight and notice in the side, berak kiri, berak kanan, whilst looking lurus, whilst looking straight. Make sense? So we'll do that with you. And as you do that, your brain can only take in so much information. It stops you from thinking about the past. It stops you from thinking about the future. You're now just here noticing all the things in your environment. And your brain has to concentrate and be here. It relaxes the body. It relaxes the mind. Make sense? Okay, so the very first thing we'll do now is, if you look at a spot, perhaps you can look at a spot on the wall over here, and you guys can look at maybe at a spot in the distance, maybe on the pole over there. Look at a spot, pick one spot above eye level, one spot. Picking that one spot on the wall. It could be on the pole here, and you guys are looking at it. So you're looking at that one spot. Hold up your hands like this. You can look at me for a moment. And then look at your one spot. Wiggle your fingers. Spirit fingers time. And then look at that spot. And expand the hands out like this. Move the hands out, belok kiri, belok kanan, to the left and to the right. And notice as you look at that spot, lurus, look at that spot straight ahead, look at that spot, and notice your fingers at the same time. At the same time. And as you look at your fingers and you're looking at that spot straight in front, notice how you start to shift. As you've got to look at everything left and right. Look at your fingers left and right. Belok kiri, belok kanan. Kiri kanan. Lurus, looking straight. Keep your eyes straight. And now drop your hands whilst looking at that spot. And notice everything in your environment. Notice the table whilst looking straight. Notice the bamboo pole whilst looking straight. Notice the walkway, or notice the books on the shelves. Notice me standing to one side. Notice Parkatik sitting far away. Notice 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. Look at those things as you're looking straight. Noticing left and right, keeping your eyes nice and straight. And notice, do you feel a change in the body as you notice more and more things? Feel the body changing as you become present. And relax. So a little bit of, you can now look straight at me. How was that experience? Did you notice anything happening inside as you noticed more and more things happening?
I think more focused.
More focused? Yes?
Yeah. The mind stay in the present moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so it's a way, if you have a problem in the past or a problem in the future, you can bring back to the present. Calm your body, calm your mind, and it turns back on your thinking. You can now think about the problem and how to fix it instead of being all stressed. And so it calms you down inside the body.
Yeah, more calm. Yeah.
Did anybody else have an experience? What came to mind? What happened for yourself?
Yeah, the same. I'm just focused on the street.
Yeah.
But I look on the beside that, just any, but no there. My thing just focus on the front.
On the front.
Yeah.
Could you see left and right? With the peripheral vision, you're seeing
A little bit.
little bit?
I don't not worry about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're focused?
Yes.
And if you notice things left and right at the same time, it's that focus on many things that brings your brain to here, your spirit to here, your mind to here. Yeah. So that's expanded awareness. You can try and practice that at home if you need to calm your body because you're upset, whatever. The kids are playing around, or your spouse or whoever, you can calm your body.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's just a little exercise to get us present.